Still using outdated VLOOKUP in Excel? Today, I'll show you 3 smarter, safer alternatives, plus one hidden bonus method most people don't know. Okay, let's get started. Let's start with index and match, one of the most reliable lookup methods. First, instead of typing the employee ID manually, let's make this more professional by creating a drop-down list. Select the lookup cell, in my case, cell H4. Go to Data, then Data Validation, and choose List. In the source box, select the employee ID column. Then click OK. Now we can select any employee ID with a single click, faster and error-free. Now let's build the formula step by step. Type equals index. First, select the column you want to return. Here, I'm selecting the employee salary column. Next, type match. Select the lookup value, that's the employee ID in H4. Then select the lookup array, the employee ID column. Type 0 for an exact match. Close the formula, and press Enter. The employee's salary appears instantly. Why index plus match is better than VLOOKUP? It works both left to right and right to left. It doesn't break when columns move, and it works perfectly in older Excel versions. If you're using Excel 365 or Excel 2021, this method is a game changer. Filter can return multiple columns at once, updates automatically, and is perfect for dashboards and dynamic reports. Let's build this step by step. Type equals filter. First, select the full data range you want to display. I'm selecting columns A through E. Next, define the condition. Select the department column and set it equal to the value in cell I3. Close the parenthesis and press Enter. Excel instantly returns all matching records, including name, department, and salary. This is exactly why filter is so popular in modern Excel. Now let's talk about XLOOKUP, Microsoft's official replacement for VLOOKUP. XLOOKUP quickly became a favorite because it's simpler, works in any direction, and completely eliminates column numbers. Let's build this one step by step. Type equals XLOOKUP. First, select the lookup value, that's the employee ID in cell H4. Next, select the lookup array, the employee ID column. Then select the return array, in this case, the salary column. Close the formula, and press Enter. The employee's salary appears instantly. XLOOKUP can return more than one value. Just select a wider return range, like B2 to F31. And press Enter, and Excel brings back all the related details automatically. Before we wrap up, here's a bonus lookup most Excel users don't know. It's perfect when you need one exact value from structured data. Type equals DGET. Select the full database, including headers, that's A1 to F31. Next, select the column you want to return, for example, salary. Finally, select the criteria range, in our case, H3 to H4. Close the formula, and press Enter. Excel instantly returns the employee's salary. Now watch this. If I change the column in I3 from salary to full name, DGET instantly returns the employee's name. No extra formulas, no helper columns, just clean, precise results. DGET works only when there is a single match. If multiple matches exist, or no match is found, it will return an error. If this video helped you, please like it, it really supports the channel. Share, and subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Thanks for watching, I'll see you in the next Excel lesson.